Ayo, boss, and happy 5-year anniversary to the Cooking Corner. Chef just wants to start out by saying thank you to everyone, family, friends, subscribers, and viewers for taking the time to watch our videos. From our early videos, like this chicken wing video, all the way to our recent one. Thank you for taking the time out of your day to spend with us and watch our videos. It means a lot to us, and we're really grateful you're doing that. Chef put together a couple pictures of some foods that we made along the way, and we're going to talk a little bit about where we've come from and where we're going. So 5 years ago, Chef did start this channel with the hopes of just helping people cook. He did a lot of research. He knows there's a lot of cooking channels out there, which is fun and great, but he knows there's a lot of, places you can go to. We know we're not the most popular. In fact, our 5-year subscriber count isn't exactly the number we were thinking we'd be at. I won't even say it. But it's okay, because we've been helping people out, and in the end, that's all that matters. Chef, his intent was to show you that you don't have to go out to dinner every night, or, put a TV dinner in the microwave. He wanted to share with you videos that were in between, say, a TV dinner or going out, all the way to getting up at 3 in the morning to start the meal. You come home, maybe you have the kids or groceries in your hand, you can still put together a fun dish. Chef and his wife actually worked 2 jobs when they started this. Now they're down to 1 each, thankfully. But Chef and his wife are both in healthcare, and I'm a famous European underwear model, so we're all busy. But we just wanted to say, if you know someone that's looking for new ideas, please share our videos on your social medias or platforms. Even if it's just, hey, check out this video, we really enjoyed it. It'd mean a lot to us, it really would, and we want to continue to help people learn how to cook. It's always been our goal, and it's always something we're going to strive for. We're going to still put videos out every Thursday, and we're grateful for everything and everyone that's been helping us along the way. The next year is going to be fun. This year is going to be a great year. We're going to put out some new videos. We're going to put out some classic video recipes, and we're going to do some shout outs from some of the other cooking and other YouTubers that we really enjoy. So look forward to that. As well as we're going to also maybe do some different food challenges or something. Leave us some comments on what to do or what to cook, as long as it's pretty, along the way simple. Thanks again, everyone, for just kind of sticking with us. And Chef, you know what Chef always says. Well, he doesn't always say subscribe, you know that. But if you could subscribe, we'd be grateful. Thank you to everyone again, to all of our fans and viewers. Thank you so much. It's going to be a good year. Stick around, everyone. Don't forget, cooking should be fun. Have fun doing it.